Today we will be installing macOS Big Sur.
To keep me warm, wish you were here instead. I'm all alone. Yeah, I won't let go, 'cause I don't wanna waste another night alone. Don't go home, I'm gonna ask you to stay another night. If you say so, I can't say no. Baby, can you just stay another night? Keep you close, don't go home. Baby, can you just stay another night? Too many nights spent lonely in this bed. You're all I want. To keep me warm, wish you were here instead.
macOS is very slow when it's not on a Mac.
Yeah, I won't let go, 'cause I don't wanna waste another night alone. Don't go home, I'm gonna ask you to stay another night. You say so, I can't say no. Baby, can you just stay another night? Keep you close, don't go home. Baby, can you just stay another night? You say so, I can't say no. Baby, can you just stay another night? Keep you close, don't go home. Baby, can you just stay another night? Too many nights spent lonely in this bed. You're all I want. To keep me warm, wish you were here instead. I'm all alone. Yeah, I won't let go, 'cause I don't wanna waste another night alone. Don't go home, I'm gonna ask you to stay another night. You say so, I can't say no. Baby, can you just stay another night? Keep you close, don't go home. Baby, can you just stay another night?
Seems to have not loaded correctly. Let's restart.
Pretty good, make 'em bad, bad, bad. I'm pretty good, make 'em bad, bad, bad. I'm pretty good, make 'em bad, bad, bad. I'm pretty good, make 'em bad, 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 bad. decisions.
And here we are. Let's install VMware tools.
Decisions.
Not sure that worked, we will try it again. It seems a little smoother, but still slow. Let's see the apps. We have Safari, let's browse. quick look at the menu bar. Let's see these Apple apps. Looks like the map didn't work because of VM don't see the GPS. The App Store is good. The control panel is here too. Let's make this look better. I can upgrade. I really like macOS. I wish everything worked so I could use it.